Hello, today I'm going to show you a simple trick to make your mosaic overlay crochet reversible. The only thing you need to do is every time you work a stitch into a double crochet, you work that stitch as a back row double crochet instead. So you insert your hook into the back loop of the double crochet you're working into, yarn over and pull through, and then behind your project insert your hook into the back loop of the stitch 2 rows down, yarn over and pull through. So you've now got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over again and pull through both loops. And then you just repeat that stitch for every double crochet that you work into. And once you get back to the single crochets, you just continue with your pattern as normal. So you either work a double crochet or a single crochet as the pattern requires. If you want the motif on the reverse side to look exactly like on the front side, you're going to need to crochet a couple of catch-up rows in the end. For the first catch-up row, you just work a single crochet into every single crochet and a back row double crochet into every double crochet. For your second catch-up row, which will be worked in black, you will just work double crochets across the entire row, but I recommend anchoring them. So you insert your hook into the front loop, yarn over, pull through again, and then just before you finish your double crochet, you insert your hook into the front loop of that catch-up row and then pull through all 3 loops on your hook at the same time. So yarn over into the front loop like a normal double crochet, and just before you finish, insert into the front loop of that back stitch and pull through. And that way you get a nice finish on the back where your project doesn't split in two like it would otherwise. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you again soon. Bye.